Chrissy here, and welcome back for another My Samsung story here on our YouTube channel, Galaxy UPH.
Got my heart out and it's covered in gold, like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah, 'cause you know it's good, oh baby, we'll never get old.
Hi mga ka-sammy! In this video, isi-share ko sa inyo some of the small but useful features that I take advantage of to get the most out of my Galaxy S23 Ultra that you should know about. Kaya naman, first on my list is that every time I watch movie at night, I always turn on the Dolby Atmos feature of my Galaxy S23 Ultra. Try this feature mga kasami, and for sure, mapapansin nyo din that the movie sound powered by Dolby Atmos is clearer and louder compared to regular audio, as it brings a higher sound quality and makes it seem like the sound is coming from all directions.
Amazing!
Best friends.
Antok na yarn?
And when it's bedtime, syempre as millennial, hindi ko naman mai-deny na isa ko sa mga mahihilig mag-charge ng phone habang natutulog. At buti na lang, there's a protect battery feature that is when turned on, it will automatically limit the maximum charging to 85%. And as a result, kahit magdamag pang nakasaksak sa charger ang Galaxy S23 Ultra ko, it will protect and extend the lifespan of my battery, leaving me worry-free at night.
Yes naman!
And in the morning, look mga kasami, even when the charger is still plugged in, the charging stops because the battery level reaches 85% already.
Legit!
Sa morning nga pala, pagkagising ko, naging routine ko na din mga kasami to check how long I slept with the use of Samsung Health application. Siyempre, it's very important for me to know if I'm getting enough sleep. Lalo na sa work, hindi naman maiwasan na maging abala. Kaya naman at times, late na ako nakakatulog. And with the help of this feature, nagagawa ko ma-assess yung sarili ko kung nakakabawi na ba ako ng tulog.
Love it!
Now, it's about time to prepare for my breakfast. Alam nyo mga kasami, pansin ko lang, parang lahat na ata ng type of egg dishes na luto ko na. Ang tagal naman kasi ng payday, hindi pa tuloy ako makapag-grocery. And lastly, you know what? Recently ko lang na-discover to that I can start multiple timers para habang naghihintay sa pagluluto, makapag-workout pa ako.
Nice one!
Paano nga ba gamitin to? Hello mga kasami! Gusto bang manalo ng 200 pesos worth of e-voucher meal? Ano pang hinihintay mo? Sagutin mo na ang question na to. The blank feature of Galaxy S23 Ultra, when turned on, it will automatically limit the maximum charging to 85%. Oh, kung alam mo ang sagot, just click the link in the description below. Only the 10 lucky viewers who will get the correct answer will win 200 pesos worth of e-voucher meal.
Enjoy na ka dyan!
I really love how amazing my Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I hope you will love it too. Thanks again mga kasami for watching. Again, I'm Chrissy, and see you again on my next Samsung story. If you like this video, hit the like button and tap the notification bell to keep you updated with the latest news from Samsung. Please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel, Galaxy UPH. Be updated and not outdated.